Welcome to Economy Lens, where future industry leaders come to get inspired. Today, we delve into a profound shift happening all around us, often unnoticed. Artificial intelligence is quietly, yet rapidly, replacing human judgment in our everyday lives. Most people don't see it coming, but the invisible shift is already here. From the moment we wake to the decisions we make, AI is influencing our world. This isn't a future concept. It's happening now, subtly in the background. But what exactly is human judgment, and why is its replacement so significant? It's the nuanced decisions made by doctors considering context and empathy. It's the ethical considerations of a judge weighing complex human factors, and the intuitive guidance of a teacher understanding individual student needs. Human judgment encompasses context, intuition, ethics, emotion, and experience. These are qualities that contrast sharply with fast-paced, data-driven AI interfaces. So, why are companies increasingly turning to AI for critical decisions? The answer lies in undeniable benefits: speed, cost efficiency, and consistency. AI can process vast amounts of data and make decisions at incredible speeds. It offers scalability, performing tasks tirelessly without human fatigue. Managers review AI-generated reports, trusting the algorithm's insights. Algorithms are making split-second decisions that impact our lives daily. Where is AI already making these critical decisions? The list is extensive. From loan approvals to job interview selections, AI is at the forefront. Your social media feeds, ad targeting, and content moderation are all AI-driven. Even police patrol routes and fraud detection rely heavily on AI algorithms. Initially, humans were passive approvers overseeing the AI suggestions, but gradually, humans are being removed from the process entirely. This leads us to the dangerous part no one talks about: the illusion of objectivity. We trust screens implicitly, often forgetting that algorithms are built by humans. Biased data can lead to biased outcomes, yet these decisions go unchallenged. What happens when humans become merely the backup plan, or worse, irrelevant? Professionals are increasingly following AI recommendations, even when unsure. When things go wrong, accountability becomes a blurred, shifting responsibility. The skills AI is replacing first are often repetitive and rule-based. Customer support, content moderation, and risk assessment are prime examples. Fraud detection, scheduling, and performance reviews are also being automated. While efficiency increases, the human touch, empathy, and nuance are lost. But what can AI not replace? At least, not yet. Emotional intelligence, creativity, and ethical reasoning remain uniquely human. A teacher comforting a student, a judge showing empathy, a doctor making a tough call. These moments highlight the irreplaceable value of human judgment. The ability to question, to understand, and to override AI is paramount. What does this mean for our future? A world where human judgment is a rare commodity. Its value will only increase as AI becomes more pervasive. Will you blindly trust the algorithm, or will you be one of the few who questions it? The future needs your judgment. Stay informed, stay critical,